Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Adrian. This is Pop at 50. We're exploring 21st century music together. And today we're exploring Cascada's Everytime We Touch. And it's a Patreon request. That's right. Somebody asked for it specifically. They said, H, I want you to do a Cascada song. And I said, yeah, man, I'll do that stuff. And, if they did it in the YouTube comments, it would probably be weeks or, oddly enough, even months because there's so many in there. There's so many in there. And, hey, you can have them done faster if you want. All you got to do is join the Patreon at patreon.com/supermacho Jedi Knight. Too many rewards over there to go into now. I just want to get into the song. Are we ready? Let's pop it. Oh, there it goes.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dream.
Okay, good.
Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive.
Are they going to get funky in the back of the library?
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. Cause every time we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky.
Who even knows, watching this, what a card catalog is still? Last time I walked into a library, I didn't see one.
Can't you hear my heart beat so? I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
You can have fun in the library. You can. Of course, it'll take a year to put those things back together. Fun beat.
Your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cry. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last.
This is fun. This is pretty fun.
Need you by my side.
Simplistic,
'Cause every
but
time
fun.
we touch, I feel the static. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky.
I am tapping
Can't you
my
hear
feet.
my heart beat so? I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
I gotta tell you, H could shake his ass for this. But he'd look like that.
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side.
Right in the middle. Really, guys? Alright, so that was a pretty fun song. Nice and short, to the point. Not a whole lot of metaphor or allegory there. But that's good because you're supposed to have fun with this kind of music. So I would get out there and I would shake my ass on that. Thanks very much for recommending that. I'm very happy that you keep bringing me these fun songs. Keep popping, babies.